alaikum, everyone, and welcome back to our podcast, Decoding Banking with Habib Metro, where we go beyond numbers. We talk about people, culture, business, so banking overall. So, आज के जो episode है is going to be a fun one because we are joined by someone who not only heads HR strategy but also happens to be the life of every room, every place he walks into. So let's welcome हमारे आज के guest, Asad Ali, head of HR at Habib Metro, and also my boss. Assalamu alaikum, Asad. How are you?
Hi Zafreen, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? First of all, thank you for having me here. It's honestly a great honor for me to be here today. So thank you so much. So let's hope for the best now.
Yes. Thank you so much, Asad. And I think, how do you feel? Because it's you behind this whole vision that we are doing this podcast. It's your vision, it's your support. कि इतना अच्छा initiative आज we have been able to launch. So how do you feel?
I personally feel I think it is very important for us, to demonstrate whatever that we've learned and experienced in our banking line. So from that point, I think it would be nice to deliver and share it with the community so that they can get something out of this whole experience and they might implement a similar, experience in their life.
Let's start from the beginning. So why HR and how HR कैसे हो गया?
Okay, scripted suno ya natural story suno?
I would say natural because I know the story. So I want people to hear this as well.
So I started when I was just an intermediate because there was a need for me to work at that point in time. So while doing my intern, I got this job, and I was doing quite okay in that role also. So someday somebody just gave me a newspaper and said, so you must read newspaper as well. So you won't believe the first thing that I read, job opportunities. So this is how it started actually. So it was just a job opportunity page. I immediately opened it and I just saw one ad and it was just like a big multinational organization. They did not mention the name at that point in time. So and the best thing that attracted to me, it was just it's a house loan facility, the provident fund, the gratuity fund, and the growth perspective, and it's going to be a challenging role. And I think the role was human resources officer. I think it was part of the recruitment function. So I just applied.
That's
so this is how I ended up in HR.
Interesting. And knowing this journey, I mean, it's really interesting like, how you have come and how far you have come. So I think wonderful journey. And I want to people to hear this.
Yeah,
So that's why I
will.
want to that you answer this question. All right, Acha, Asad, I mean, if not HR, what would you be doing? आज क्या कर रहे होते अगर HR नहीं वो अखबार अगर पढ़ा होता तो क्या होता?
Okay, Zafreen, to answer your question, if not HR, then what would be next for me? So you know that I'm a people person and I thrive on human connection. And, I probably enjoy more with, dealing with people, ensure I make them comfortable and value them. So HR, that's the reason I'm in HR. But if not HR, then most probably I think I would be in airline. And
That's
to be honest,
interesting.
yeah,
Something
I always
different.
wanted to be in airline because
Yes.
I know the people traveling all the time, and that was always exciting for me. Okay, yeah, I should also travel. इस तरह का काम करने पे. So I would be in airline, but to be honest, this airline company would have promoted me to chief vibe officer within a month.
I'm
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
I think we all can agree to
Yeah,
that.
so I would say airline or.
Yeah.
I even now I think if after HR, then what would I be doing? So most probably I think I would work for some community or maybe for some NGOs. Yeah,
That's wonderful and then
Yeah.
that's interesting to know in fact.
Yeah, thank
खास
you.
के वो airline वाला.
airline wala.
हाँ.
चाय पिला दो, पानी पिला दो.
Maybe a head steward or something.
No heads too. That's no problem at all.
Yeah.
As long as I'm traveling. Yeah.
Yes. अच्छा okay. Asad, early on like during starting your career initial days में कोई ऐसा challenge that shaped you how you lead now?
The best way to address any challenges is the best part is to put yourself on other people's shoes, right? So I think it sounds simple, but it is very transformative. When you genuinely try to understand individual perspective, their pressures, their fears, their motivation, then you try to respond in such a way so it does not sound reactive. And then you can show that empathy to these people. So, and in terms of other challenges, you can say that every level that I worked has different challenges, right? When I was working as an individual contributor, so I was just worried about myself, about my output, about my credibility. When I became to the unit head role, then my success was to train and develop other people also. And then I moved into the leadership role. Then my whole goal has changed from, managing and training people. I started giving empowerment to my team. So that every time when I change my positions, so my challenges become different, right? So this is how I've handled the challenges, and this is how I've shaped up myself now.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, what is that one big lesson from your journey?
If I had to distill everything I've learned into one lesson, there is no shortcut to the hard work. But I believe hard work alone is not enough anymore. So the only thing that shaped everything that I do, and which I personally believe, that success does not come from hard work or smart work alone. It comes from the trust you build with your people and your customers, and that's it. And that's the secret, I would say, for my journey.
That's wonderful. When you talk about people and their trust, that's a wonderful lesson to take away from your journey. Thank you so much for sharing with us. Acha, Asad, you have been in the HR industry for so long, and how has HR changed since you started?
So when I started in HR, it was just more like a support function, the processing department, where we are supposed to churn out offer letters and exits formalities and stuff like that. So that was the HR, just more control over the policies, a policeman-like type culture, right? So in new HR, I personally think that it is a more strategic business partner that sits at the table when where decisions are being made. ठीक है, in our HR at Habib Metro, the way we operate in HR, it's more like business driven and not policy driven. We just don't enforce policy. We shape business strategy through through people, and that includes, you can say, the proper talent management, talent strategy, workforce planning, productivity, engagement, retention. So I personally feel that HR is expected to speak the language of revenue, profitability, and growth, and not just the headcount and the governance and the policy related matters.
That's wonderful, Asad. I think that is the best change I would say that HR has brought in the current era. अच्छा, ऐसा तभी हमने we talked about how HR has changed, किस तरह से evolve हुआ है. पर ये एक सवाल मैं जो आपसे करने वाली हूँ, बहुत से लोग जानना और सुनना चाहते हैं, especially from a head of HR. So beyond hiring and exits, how does HR support employee daily? And interestingly, हमने Khurram sir was here with us in the first episode. We also asked him, और उन्होंने बहुत ही कोई अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग आंसर दिया था इसका. So, but what do you have to say?
HR का आई नो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है कि भाई एक परसेप्शन है कि HR जो है वो दे जस्ट इनटू हायरिंग एंड एग्जिट प्रोसेसिंग एंड सेटलमेंट्स एंड ऑल दैट. I don't definitely agree on this one, and at least for Habib Metro, I can vouch myself that this is not that we do actually. In Habib Metro, in HR, as Khura must have also mentioned, we do a lot actually, and we do a lot not in terms of workload. It's just we really add value to the HR department, right? It's so other than hiring and firing, all that. I personally believe in having a continuous engagement with my employees. It's not only this is in just one in a year. We just go and connect with the business heads. So we connect with employee, we connect with business heads in every decision that business makes for their people. HR is a primary function that has to be there in order to take a final call, in order to support them also. So this is our more like a coaching and counseling thing that we contribute to the business. Other than that, we really work hard on culture. Culture is not it's not the same fluffy thing. That's a culture, I would say, is a completely business driven process, right? So we work very hard on culture. We ensure that we give that trust and confidence to employee. Even if they do make mistakes, we don't hang them forever. It's just that you mistake, take it as a learning. Okay, we do not encourage where people feel stressed out and stressed and all that. We give them space. We give them opportunity to prove themselves. So these are all the work that we do in HR, and also this also helps us in our Habib Metro, bringing that culture of easiness and all that.
True that, and and working so closely with you because आपकी team का part होने से, so we can vouch the way you operate, the way we operate under your leadership is that work with business, help people. So I completely agree with you. अच्छा, अभी अभी असद आपने बात की ना stress, because banking in generally, I think a corporate world in generally is a stressful job. There's a lot of pressure is around. So what are we doing as HR, as Habib Metro HR? What are we doing to support our employees in such high pressure job? हम कैसे उन्हें engage कर रहे हैं, क्या support कर रहे हैं उनके लिए?
We do a lot of engagement sessions, right? And where we try to address these people in terms of if they have a work pressure, if they have any, conflict with the department heads, and when they have any grievances and all that. So I have a team, they are the relationship managers. So they usually are the face for the employees, and whether from junior to senior level, of course, it works with hierarchy way. So if there's someone senior, of course, I have an open door policy, so they can always approach me for any sort of problem that they're facing while they're working. And for the junior people also, we have a relevant team also, so they normally approach them and they can get their help in order to sort their problems out. So other than that, I think we have a lot of programs we have developed here. For example, we have Good Friday, Feel Good Friday wala concept, where we recognize and when we demonstrate and announce all the best thing that person has done, or whether that person has been appreciated by his co-worker or by their line manager. So we do that as a good Feel Good Friday, where we announce all the good things about that person which is being appreciated by their line managers. So this is what we do. Then we have a regular female employee engagement sessions. It's not only, and then we have a regular cross-functional team. We have employee well-being sessions whereby we take people at the cross-functional department out for some outdoor activities, and we go out to the beach. So this helps make them connected to each other all the time. So I think these all activities and these all efforts, I think they're working really well in our bank, and and this gives the comfort, and I think this gives that comfort to each functional cross-functional team to just interact with each other, and that it's become easier for them to then operate on a daily life.
अच्छा, अब हम जब कल्चर की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी हम लीडरशिप की बात भी की है, ठीक है, देयर इज़ वन इम्पॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट दैट इज़ डाइवर्सिटी एंड इक्विटी एंड इंक्लूजन. जितनी आपकी वर्क फोर्स डाइवर्स्ड एंड इंक्लूसिव है, दैट्स shows के बड़ा वेल स्ट्रक्चर्ड कल्चर दिस प्लेस है. सो आई नो वी हैव डन लॉट to reach where we are at DNI. But अगर आप प्लीज़ कुछ शेयर करना चाहें द जर्नी, कि हमने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया और कैसे किया और आज हम कहाँ पे हैं DNI के एस्पेक्ट से, प्लीज़.
When I was joining Habib Metro, so before joining Metro, people really do ask me, sir, does Habib Metro have female employees? So I said, yes, I have some idea. Yes, they do have female employees. एक पहले perception था कि शायद Habib Metro Bank में female employees को नहीं रखते हैं. एक perception होता है ना, तो but that was not true actually, right? But when was hired, I think if I'm not mistaken, we had like around 10 to 11% of female population at that point in time, and it may not be at all levels, but of course at various grades and function, they were female employees that we had in Habib Metro. We started at 11%. और फिर हमने ईयर बाय ईयर हमने अपना टारगेट रखा था, नॉट टारगेट जस्ट टू मेंटेन द जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी रेशियो, इज जस्ट टू ब्रिंग इन मोर डाइवर्सिटी. एंड हाउ डाइवर्सिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस, not only for the Habib Metro, even for the board members, it is our main agenda, right? So we're giving more focus on diversity and especially into gender hiring. So उसमें हमने फीमेल के ऊपर I remember that 11 to 12%, and if I'm not mistaken, today we are around 24 to 25% female employees, and I'm very proud to say that we get amazing support from CEO, from the CMC members, and top of all from the board members. I've been asked in every board meeting that where are we on diversity, and it's just not the number, it's just that they're more concerned about, yes, we hired, but we should hire at all levels. And now even in Habib Metro, we have like around 25 plus SVPs, and they're all senior female employees, and they're all heading the separate functions, right? We have a lot of people in retail, we have a lot of female employees in our HOK function as well. And it's not only, and trust me, it's not only hiring that we do for just to maintain the diversity ratio. We are really focused in ensuring that we develop them, we promote them. We have put such a strong process in place whereby if there's any open position, even at senior level, SVP level or above level, our first preference would be that we should give opportunity to the female employees. And साथ साथ उसके फिर हम उनके, we have a very clear roadmap for female as well as for other employees as well. We have a very clear roadmap how we are going to further grow this person into the organization and how we are going to make them grow. We also created a female leader working group where we have around 20-25 female leadership, where they are responsible to mentor and coach all the junior population female that we have in the organization. So I think it has really worked very well and has been appreciated by all my junior female employees. And inshallah, we're going to continue with this whole program, and let's hope that we should continue this now.
I know, and I know I've seen you working and driving such great initiatives that not only cater women but overall diversity, I think. So yes. अच्छा अभी
मुझे तो कभी कभार वो जब मैं सीएमसी में बैठता हूँ तो जब भी कोई डाइवर्सिटी की बात आती है तो होता है, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम द वन हु पुशेस पीपल टू कि भाई आपको भी फीमेल हायर करनी है, आपको सीनियर फीमेल पे फीमेल करनी, तो मैं मिस्टर डाइवर्सिटी आ गया. So this is very close to my heart, and I personally, and मेरा पर्सनल भी इंटरेस्ट होता है कि we need to promote this diversity thing in our organization.
I know.
And thanks to to the management that they really supported me in meeting my targets and meeting this whole milestone.
No, I agree. That's great. अच्छा सर, अभी हमने डाइवर्सिटी की बात की है, आपने इनिशिएटिव्स भी शेयर किए. अब एक चीज़ बड़ी है कि जी HR ख़वातीनों का डिपार्टमेंट है, और अगर आप देखें तो आई मीन जनरली होती भी HR में, यू हैव मोर women, but how do you make sure that you have diversity in your team as well?
ठीक है, मैं आपको अपना you must be knowing my head count ratio, female and no. नहीं, दैट्स ट्रू. बेसिकली ये होता है कि आई थिंक मैंने नोट किया कि जितने भी जो लोग ग्रेजुएट करते हैं, आई थिंक मोस्टली जो लड़कियां होती हैं वो उसका ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस मार्केटिंग और ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज में होता है. तो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर मोर इनफ्लक्स फॉर फीमेल स्टाफ फॉर HR डिपार्टमेंट, एंड यू कैन से दैट फॉर मार्केटिंग एंड फॉर इवन फॉर रिटेल एंड ऑल दैट प्रोडक्ट. So no, but HR it's not that just because I'm the diversity champion and I'm driving this whole process, so I have 100% of female population. No, it's not that actually. I have a very fine mixed balance in HR department where we have senior like you. You're my head of learning, right? So, and I have 4 other direct reports and they're all male.
Yes.
So that's the answer. So that's the answer I gave you.
सवाल यहाँ रखा है कि ये चीज़
या तो अगर तुम कहती कि सारे आपके चारों आपके डायरेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ फीमेल, तो देन आई वुड हैव बीन बिट एम्बैरेस्ड. अच्छा सारे फीमेल है तो मैं मेल को तरजीह नहीं दे रहा हूँ. It's just not that. So I give we are equally employee opportunity.
Yes, equally. Great. अच्छा, apart from the HR, before we move to our next segment, एक सवाल मेरा आपसे एक और होगा, because I try to ask with every guest because we want to have a leadership perspective for our young professionals as well. कि अभी हम बड़े जनरेशन शिफ्ट में जा रहे हैं. वी हैव मल्टी जनरेशन वर्किंग विद अस, एंड लेट्स नॉट फिक्सेटेड टू जनरेशंस. डिफरेंट वर्क स्टाइल के लोग भी एक टीम में एक जगह पर होते हैं, एंड उनकी डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट नीड्स होते हैं, डिफरेंट स्टाइल, वर्किंग स्टाइल होते हैं. तो हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर एंड हाउ डू यू मैनेज टीम्स विद डिफरेंट या मल्टीपल वर्क स्टाइल पीपल और डिफरेंट जनरेशन के लोगों के साथ? हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट?
देखिए, हर किसी को मैनेज करना इज लाइक हमारे जो फैमिली के जो लोग होते हैं, यू नो दैट यू डील डिफरेंटली विद योर सिस्टर, यू डील डिफरेंट विद योर ब्रदर, यू डील डिफरेंट विद योर फादर एंड मदर. सो यू नीड टू अडेप्ट विद देम, राइट? उनके साथ अडेप्टिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए आपके साथ. तो यू कैन नॉट जस्ट ऑपरेट एवरीबडी विद द सेम रूल्स एंड गाइडलाइंस. सो फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, देयर इज नो सच theory or guidelines that I can tell you at this point in time, but it's just that it all depends how you connect. You need to understand his mentality, that person mentality, how he thinks, how he feels. So I personally do that way. I fully understand कि मुझे किस तरीके से काम निकलवाना है, वो मुझे इसका पूरा आइडिया होता है. Some people, you need to be, please do it. Some like, oh, is it okay for you to do it for me, right? Because I know that person temperament, and I know exactly the way I'm going to tell her or tell him, that's how will, make an impact to him. So it really depends, it depends on your connectivity with that person, and then you should have intelligent enough to see how you can get the work done by that person. The basic formula is just you cannot just use the same yardstick for everybody the same way. It has to be different. You need to adapt yourself with that person nature and the understanding.
Yeah.
So that's what I think. Yeah.
Yes, beautifully
Same
articulated.
चीज अब छोटे बेटे को
बिल-
अब I can tell my middle one, okay, please do this or get it done today. Maybe I can't say this to my younger one. He might say,
Yes.
no, dad, do it yourself. Yeah. So it's a
So,
different way to
yes,
handle
yes,
people, right?
yes, and very well said, because हम घर पे भी different, you know, हमारे पास family members हैं, and we deal with them. Same goes at workplace as well. I
Yeah.
think beautifully
So उनके
articulated.
temperament के हिसाब से you need to
Yes.
adapt yourself also. No? It's
बिल्कुल,
just not like,
बिल्कुल
you
है.
know, since I'm the boss, so whatever I do, you have to do it.
हाँ.
So no, you need to be respectful
Yes.
and you need to give
Yes.
those respect and values to other
Yeah.
people also.
Yeah. And that's the best
They are your
leadership
team
quality.
worker,
Yes.
yeah.
I
So I
agree.
think that works, and I think respect plays a very important role.
Yes.
Whatever you say, but if you do
Yes.
it with respect, trust me, nobody
People
will say
listen to
no
you,
to you.
yes.
They will give you the same respect in return.
That's true. Excellent. I think very good conversation so far, Asad. I think
Thank you.
because ये सारी ऐसी बातें जो बहुत से लोग करना और
I
सुनना
was a bit
चाहते
nervous कि I don't know कितने सारे सवाल आने वाले हैं.
No.
Yeah, I did some homework, but not the one that you have asked me. But yeah,
No, I think, and thank you so much for being so open and sharing your thoughts and you know, such good insights with us. Acha, moving to our next segment.
What is that
It's
now?
a game segment, and
Okay.
the
Has to
moment
be
I
easy,
say-
it's a frame.
Yeah, the moment I say game segment, people are like, अच्छा शायद हम थोड़ा game shows होंगे. No, it's not like that. We'll be here. We have planned couple of कुछ games इस तरह के. So पहला हम start करते हैं आपके साथ. So it's very simple. This or that.
has to be interesting. Okay?
Yes, it's going to be with you. I know.
It's going to be. Yeah. I bring
interesting.
some energy to
Yes,
it. That's
yes,
not a
yes,
problem.
let's- So अब game बहुत simple, time bound रखें. Within 3 seconds you have to answer. So I'm going to give you 2 options, A or B. You have to say A or either B.
और
let's start.
और दोनों भी हो सकता है क्या है? All of the above भी हो
All
सकता
of the above नहीं हो सकता.
अच्छा,
अब
it's either A or B. Okay.
Option ही 2 है. Either this, either that.
ठीक है, चलो.
So let's start. Tea or coffee?
Chai.
Chai. Early morning meetings or late evening meetings?
Early morning. No late meetings. No.
Okay. Human or AI?
Of course. What do you expect from head of HR? AI? No, of course
Okay,
human.
Hiring potential or hiring experience?
Hiring potential.
Potential, yeah. Okay. Speed or perfection?
Perfection. Of course. Zafreen,
I know this.
this should not be a question.
Yes, I to know all the answers.
You know that how many times I asked you to redo this email. This is not something
Yes,
right. I want to say it differently.
इसलिए okay, this
Perfection, for
yeah,
sure.
Yeah.
Even
I
at home,
agree.
ask Tasneem.
Yes. I know this.
She will leave me.
We know this. Long presentations or short discussions? I know this answer, by the way.
Understood. Short. To the point. No stories.
Yes.
Do you remember all these words? Yeah.
Story नहीं बताओ. Story
No
नहीं बताओ.
stories. Come to the point. Come to the. Yeah.
Yeah. Second game. अच्छा ये हमने अपने सीईओ के साथ भी रखा था और बड़ा मजे के जवाब आए थे. अब I want to see what our HR thinks. ठीक है.
उसने benchmark काफी high set किया.
So game is myth and truth. So we'll share few statements and you tell us कि भाई सच है या बस ऐसी बातें हैं. ठीक है. So the quietest person in the meeting usually has the best idea.
True.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Have you
बहुत दफा.
experienced?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It's based on my experience.
Yes, that's wonderful.
So let CMC member think who I'm saying about this. Yeah.
Okay. All right. This one's, I know. People say quick call when they actually want a 30-minute discussion.
True.
True.
I get so many calls. Sir, can I do 2 seconds? I knew that 2 seconds will turn into
To a 30
20 minutes. Yeah. So when they start the call, I said, listen, when you said 2 seconds, right? Yeah.
I know. All right. So most people rehearse before speaking in big meetings.
Agree.
I think big people do that as well. Anna? Yeah, I agree.
Don't look
also.
at me.
Yeah, no, I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you. Wonderful, Asad. Myth and truth mein, I think you were spot on. Great answers. Now,
You liked it, huh?
Yes, I loved it.
Or you just saying that?
No. बस मैंने
Office में जाना है ना कल तुम्हें.
मुझे कल से वापस ऑफिस आना है. Okay, so one last game, sir. उसके
Okay.
बाद फिर असद हम we'll move to the end of the segment.
I'm to enjoying. I don't know who is going to watch this. They're going to enjoy this or not. Yeah.
No. अच्छा एक so ये बड़ा मजे का गेम है because मेरा ये मानना है कि being the HR people we have to ensure कि what's happening around, क्या हो रहा है हमारे बैंक में, हमें पता होना चाहिए. हमने कहा हमें सीक्रेट्स पता भी होते हैं. ठीक है. सो अभी जो पता वाली बात है ना, तो ये थोड़ा पता वाली बात लाते हैं. जो मार्केट में जो चीज़ें मिलती हैं ना, उनके बारे में पता है कि नहीं पता. तो गेम इज रूपी रियलिटी चेक.
Game is?
रूपी रियलिटी चेक. ठीक
Okay.
है. सो हमें बैंक का तो सब पता होता है, बट क्या हमें ये पता है कि बाहर जो प्लेट बिरयानी की प्लेट मिल रही है उसकी क्या प्राइस है? ये पता है? हमें नहीं पता.
बिल्कुल पता है.
ठीक है.
बिल्कुल पता है.
I know आपको पता होगा because I know you do your shopping yourself
Sure.
and you're good in terms of bargaining. That I've seen
I
it.
do everything on my
Yes,
own. So
yes,
yeah,
I know this.
Yeah.
So let's
You
start
want me to
and
tell you the price of biryani? Double biryani?
sure मुझे पता होगा आपको. But
300 रुपया.
let's try. Let's
Yeah.
see how many you can guess it. चाय.
100 रुपया.
100 रुपया. हाँ, सही है.
Yeah, yeah.
हमारे दुरानी साहब को वो चाय 250 रुपए की दे रहा है वो बाय द वे.
तो दुरानी साहब.
अच्छा, अंडे पराठे का ब्रेकफास्ट.
Yeah. You want me to tell you the
हाँ,
price?
बस बताए ना बॉस.
100 rupees.
100 रुपीस. हाँ. एंड लास्ट टाइम आपने कब खुद से कब लिया
Daily.
होगा? Alright.
I'm just kidding.
Right.
But once a week for sure.
Yeah, I know. अच्छा बस ये जो हमारी ऑनलाइन कैब्स होती हैं, कभी आपने ड्राइवर अगर
yeah.
नहीं है, कभी
Hey,
खुद से बुक
I've
की है,
experienced that.
so how much does it charge ऑफिस से आपके घर तक? कुछ आइडिया?
700 रुपया.
You were superb. You are
Oh, really?
superb. All the games.
At
You
least
know-
it's super and giving the biryani cost,
yes,
right?
yes. I think you were spot on, spot on. Asad, thank you so much once again. But before we end today's episode, एक आखिरी सवाल मेरा आपसे होगा, please. One advice or one principle that you would like to share with the young generation that you lead your life every day.
See, the principle that I follow is to work hard, work smart, and above all, work with integrity. So that's what I've learned, that's what I live by, and that's what I try to pass on everyone I lead. Thank you.
That's a good one to carry forward, I must say, because work hard, work smart, and we see you every day. You still work really hard, and I think that's why everyone works for you and in your team live by that value as well. So thank you so much, Asad, once again. It was such a great conversation. Honestly, felt like we could keep going. I think हम 2-3 घंटा और भी इस बारे में बात
गुजार
कर देते. But again, thank you so much for being so open and sharing your such great insights with us. So yes, thank you so much.
Thanks, Zafreen. Thanks for having me here. It was a great experience. I enjoyed it a lot.
Great,
Thank you so
great.
much.
Great. And to everyone watching us, thank you so much. We'll see you in the next episode. Allah Hafiz.